Hello and welcome, dear students, my fellow colleagues and my seniors. You're welcome to the channel, the Knowledge Hub. This is the second topic of our computer science micro teaching micro sheets. Okay, so the first topic I have shown it earlier, that was on virus, and the second topic now we are going to use. Our sub-subject here is going to be number system, and our topic is binary number. So number system, as we know, it's used to represent numbers in the computer architecture, and we have four types of number system. Let me also tell you this: the four types of number systems we have are the binary number system, the decimal number system, the octal number system, and the hexagonal number system. But we are going to talk only about binary number here. So to begin with, we are taking first the first skill, introductive skill, and this is going to test the previous knowledge of the students. We are going to have an idea whether they have knowledge about binary numbers, binary digits, binary number system. So the first question here we have is, does the computer understand our language, that is the human language, that is English language, or any of the regional languages? In written, does that understand? So the response here is it doesn't. So which language or format does the computer understand? It understands zeros and ones, and zeros and ones are called binary digits. So in the introductive skill, we have this format here. We have these questions that are giving an introduction about the topic binary numbers, and these are the components that have been used here in the introductive skill. Now let's move on. Our next skill here, we're explaining. So what we do is we explain the topic very well in detail, but keep in mind that it's only 6 minutes we have, so detailed but yet brief. Binary number system, a number that is expressed in base 2. It is denoted by 0 and 1. It is applied internally by at least all computers and devices using logic gates. Every digit is referred to as a bit. So binary number systems are represented using only two digits, that is 0 and 1, and that is why it has a base of 2, because it has only two digits. And each digit is a bit. That is, for example, here 1011 is 4-bit binary number. So if I have a binary digit, if I have a binary number with 7 digits, it will be equivalent to 7-bit binary number. And then here we are converting a number 4 base 10, that is a decimal number, to a binary number, and what we are doing is we are dividing it. Okay, the number here is 4 and we are converting it to binary. That is why we are dividing it by 2, because that is the base. And the result we get in the remainder 001. When we are writing it, we begin from the end, from the downside. So we move down upwards. So 4 base 10 is going to be equivalent to 1002. And 100 is a binary digit because it contains 0 and 1 only. The moment in your division, if you have any number apart from 0 and 1, then your division is wrong. So students will listen to this, understand it. If they have questions, they ask. And this is our teaching aid. Remember, I said a teaching aid is one of the most important things for a teacher. It's very good because it's we can represent the data in a summarized form, and students feel easier to understand using teaching aids. And these are the components that have been used. Now what we have explained to the students, we're going to note this on the board in the proper format, and students are going to note this neatly in their notebooks. And these are the components that have been used. You can see neatness, appropriateness, proper presentation, the standing position of the teacher. When writing on the board, the teacher should not block the board so that students will not have visibility. Next we have is the questioning skill, that is the fourth one. What we do here is like an assessment or evaluation of the students to have an idea whether they have understood the topic, the subtopics, the terminologies we have used. For example, what is a bit? Okay, so a bit represents each binary digit. So we have these questions here and the response from the students, and the components that have been used here: prompting, information seeking, okay, that is asking the students, evaluating them. Finally, we have the reinforcement. We have our questions, the students' activity in their response, and then we are given reinforcement. Mostly we move it positive reinforcement because it encourages students. Whenever you give a very good or a well done to an answer, students get motivated that yes, I am correct. You see a smile. But if we give negative reinforcement, sometimes it discourages students. But overall, depending on what we have asked and the response of the students, we give the reinforcement comments. So these are the components that have been used. And so this were the micro sheets for computer science. Thank you.